Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your most requested and the most loved charms reading. What is coming next for you, friends? Yes, what's going to happen next? And this is a very important reading because we are moving into great energies. So what is going to happen? This is a general reading, friend. It may resonate or it may not. So take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot and like and share, because if you subscribe, you get a chance to win a free reading. One of our subscribers will get a chance to win a free reading at the end of every month, and. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Also, friends, this is a lot is happening this week, so this is a very important reading and it can affect you for the next 6 months. So the main changes is the new moon in Sagittarius is going to happen on the 14th, and then there is a total solar eclipse. Whoa, 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 yeah, a solar eclipse with a new moon in Sagittarius, and Venus is moving into Sagittarius, so love is about passion. And then Saturn on the 17th is moving in Aquarius. Big change. And then on the 19th, Jupiter is moving into Aquarius. Another huge change. And then on the 20th, Mercury is moving into Capricorn. And then on the 21st, we have the solstice and the Jupiter and the Saturn conjunction. Oh my god, loaded week. Whew. Are you ready, friends? So I think we should start the reading rather than talking. So let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option number one, this beautiful blue moon, full moon. Option number three, this beautiful red moon. Option number two, sorry, the red moon. Option three, this beautiful green moon. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. Friends, I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly skip to the number you have chosen. You can also choose more than one pile. You can also watch the entire video because this is a very important time, friends. This has not happened, the conjunctions have not happened since like over 160 years ago. I think the last time it happened was in. Um, 1920 1902 or something like that. I've forgotten it, but it was way back when all this happened earlier, this conjunctions, this shift into Aquarius. So let's see how what will happen. A lot will happen, positive, I hope. So let's see, for those who chose option number 1, what's going to happen for you, what's coming next in love, work and career. Chance reading, let's see. So this is your number 1, believe in impossible. Yeah, something great is going to happen. This is your advice card. These are your extra oracle messages. So let's see, what are your messages. Ooh, you begin with death, transformation, something big is changing. You may have ended something recently, friends. Maybe you ended a connection or a relationship, or maybe a job has ended, or some work situation has ended. I also feel that maybe you lost someone, a pet, or maybe a family, some past lover, past loved ones. You are missing them, you're thinking about them. But this week, changes are coming, transformations are coming, big transformations are coming in your life. You are ending something and moving into something new. The lovers, wow, definitely some ending has happened in a love connection or in a relationship, or if not, this week some things will shift in your love relationships, and the way you look at love, it is going to shift. The way you look at love connections, the way you look at passions, the way you look at physical intimacy, all those things are going to change. I also feel you may be having some choice in love in this week. You may meet someone who is quite a temptation, or you may have a choice in love, like someone new and a past lover coming back. So you are like, whom should I choose? So there are choices. Nine of Pentacles, you are choosing yourself. I do see there are choices in love and in relationships, but you are choosing yourself. You have learned to value yourself. This week you are not going to settle for less, and I think it is not, it is it's a big, see, I can't even talk. I think it is a huge change for you, friends. You have never valued yourself, or you are a giver, so you have never put yourself first. So this week you are like, no, me first. And you are putting this end to a pattern, like you used to care for everybody, but you considered yourself last. I think pile number one, you are givers, you are very kind, you love everybody, you help everybody, but now you are coming out of that pattern this week, and you are going to value yourself, you are going to feel proud of yourself, you are going to feel confident, you are going to make the right choices. You will end something, like, if you are smoking, drinking, you are going to quit it. Why? Because you feel a need to quit it. You are moving towards health, good choices, good decisions, and confidence, self value, self love. Money is also coming. Look at that, the Emperor. Yeah, someone, you are going into leadership roles. Whether it is your career, if something has ended, you have left a job, or you are struggling in finding a job, don't worry. The best job is coming for you. You are going to be a leader at that job. You are going to get that promotion. You are going to be hugely successful. Keep working, don't give up. I also see there are people who don't understand you or don't respect you. Maybe your father, maybe in the family, father in law, parents, twin flames. Someone doesn't respect you, friends. But you're gonna put an end to it. You are like, no, I'm done. I'm gonna choose myself. You will create some distance. Hermit, yeah, someone is keeping very close feelings. Someone loves you, someone likes you. They feel this intimacy, they feel this attraction towards you. They are watching your social media, but they may have ended a connection. They may be a past lover, or someone you dated, or someone you were married once, or just ended things with. They are watching you. There is someone who likes you, and they are keeping their secret feelings secret. But there will be shift. I think this person was in double minds about you, or they were confused about you. You might also be in double minds about a love situation, but you are clear. You will end up choosing yourself. You will end up making choices this week which help you and your career and your education, your health, your peace of mind. You are going to choose that. I think someone is confused about making a move towards you. You could also be confused about staying with a partner or leaving a partner, staying with your family or leaving them, staying at a place or moving out. You are a little confused. You are looking for solutions this week, friends. It's very, very clear. There's something big is happening, some big endings are happening, but you don't know yet what to do. What is the next step? Something has ended, but what is the next step? You will know, friends, you will know. Keep your patience. Knight of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is important. Yes, here is also a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, the Virgo card. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is also important. Aries, Leo, Sag person could also be important. I feel, friends, some of you are very worried about money. It is coming, friends. You are going to achieve a lot of money in the coming year, or you are going to feel a sense of purpose, that yes, I can do this, I can do this. And you are looking for solution, whether it is in your love life, career, or life in general. You are going to find that solution. There are some confusions. You want a solution. It is coming. Five of Swords. A lot of people have worked behind you, friends, and be careful. There are still some people whose motives or intentions are not good. There are people, maybe family, maybe friends, maybe some third party, or some in-law. Some people are there who have ditched you, who have worked behind your back, maybe at work, maybe they are still active. But They can no longer affect you. You will still find you will still find that people are talking behind your back, maybe in friends, gossip is there, some people are backlashing you, backstabbing you, or just some negative energies, but it will not affect you this week. Why? Because you have risen above, you are very strong, you have moved past it, and you will not give it a bother. You're like, okay, fine, I'm focused, I know what I need to do. But you are looking for your next action step, you're looking for something this week. I also feel there is a person who is keeping a very close eye on your social media. It could be a twin flame, it could be a past ex lover, or some husband or wife of yours. Someone is watching your social media, and someone likes you. They are having a lot of passionate thoughts about you. And I also feel you are very connected to spirit this week, like some past lover. I feel a grandparent or a grandmother is watching over you, or you will feel very connected, like you will remember them, see their pictures. So someone is watching over you from spirit also. Let's see what else. Then we're gonna listen, check your charms, listen to your charms. I don't know how can we listen to charms. I have no idea. I don't know what I say when I'm channeling. You remember Khushiness? Yeah, that was another thing. Yang, it is, yeah, you are very focused, friends. This week you are very focused. This change of. What is the change? This new moon in Sagittarius. This is like kicking you with power. You are having a lot of power, lot of sexual, agitation. There's a lot of energy in you. So this Venus is also moving in Sagittarius. There is a new moon in Sagittarius, and the Sun is also moving in Sagittarius. Moving out of Sagittarius. So these changes, they are going to make you feel very passionate. Anything you do, you're very passionate. So be careful. Someone may pick a fight with you this week. I have to say this. Some authority, maybe a boss, someone may try to someone may try to pick a fight because they see you are doing so well, or because they just want to boss you. You are like, no, I'm not interested. You will focus on yourself. If they dominate you, you will dominate them. So you are very clear on what you want, and the solutions you are looking, they are coming for you. Yin and yang balance, number 22. I do feel a twin flame connection is changing or shifting, or spiritually you are uniting with a twin flame, or a very important connection of yours. Things are shifting. Maybe you ended things with this person, but things will shift. Number 22, a massive shift is coming. Anxiety, this person or you may be having anxiety or depression or health issues. You're gonna recover from them. Those health issues will recover. Whatever is causing you problem right now, after this week you will find your solutions. So stay calm, friends, and don't let anyone boss you. I do see people will try to boss you up. Say bye bye, or say make some distance. Let's see your advice. Surrender to the divine. Full moon. Yeah, emotions are very high. Your aggression, your passion, look at that. You're very passionate. So just surrender. Some solutions will appear to you on its own. Yin and yang. Balance is necessary between your feminine and your caring side and your boldness. How do I say this? In easier sentences, you need a balance between how much you will love people and how much you love yourself. Be patient and make some distance. Be clear about what you want. Let's see your charms. Oops. Option number 1, how this week will be for option number 1. Oh, see, 2 horses have come. So definitely something is happening, friends. Something is going on. Let's see. See, 2 horses. There is a very powerful connection that you are attracting. You are powerful, they are powerful. You both are, maybe this has ended, but you are still feeling connected with each other, and you want to know why. You will have your answers. Also, someone very aggressive might trigger you, or they might, parents, in-laws, someone is trying to fight with you. Don't indulge. Keep a distance. People are going to be aggressive. Don't Keep a distance. Keep yourself a priority. Focus on your goals. Oh God, you have so many E's. Me. See? You are the focus this week. Me. So yeah, MEE. EME might be important for some of you. ME maybe or something. Pineapple is about finding beauty, focusing on joy. Pineapple is also reconciliation, someone coming back. Horse is also about, black is about protection. You are very protected. Black is also things hidden coming to light. And horse is about you are very strong, you are double strong, you have double power this week. I'm a stupid baby, someone is coming. Yes, someone feels guilty, someone regrets losing you, they want to come back, they are feeling very connected with you. Oh, sorry friends, very sorry. I think they're gonna message you like this, boom bang boom, and you're like, what? Some of you may get a one night stand call, like this person might call, and it might be so much of passion that you just can't help it. So stay careful. Some temptations are coming, message in a bottle, some hit. This person has some strong emotions and they have not told you. They are going to express that. Number 19 is important for some of you. Number 25 is important. 19, number 25. 19 is coming this week. 25 is also coming. Number 31 is also coming. So these are important. Ship. Some long distance, you might be waiting for job call or news from abroad, or you are dealing with someone who is living in some other country or city. Yes, message is coming from there. Fix things. You are working on fixing things. This could also be health issues, anxiety. You will get better, friends. Don't worry. Creativity. Focus on your creativity, friends. Use your extra energy. You will feel extra energy this week. Focus it on work. Crown. Yeah, see, if you use it for work, you will find success. Dove, forgiveness. Oh my God, friends. Someone is going to ask for your forgiveness. See, or you are going to find clarity about a situation that has ended, maybe a job situation, something ended in your life. You will find peace. Oh my God, you have 2 crowns. What's going on with you, pile number 1? I don't know. You have 2 crowns. Look at that. Can you see? I think it might be better if you see it here. Look at that. You have 2 crowns. So I think you are attracting someone very powerful, or you are dealing with a twin flame and you both are going to unite. You are going to unite, or some double success is coming your way. Wow, this is very powerful. Ace of Wands. Passions are very high. Something. Ace of Wands. Look at this. Yang. Ace of Wands. Starting something, feeling very passionate. Art. You are very connected with art. If you can't find anything else, focus on your art. An artist might be coming your way. You might attract a very famous person or get a message from them. Also, look at this, the golden butterfly. Something major is happening. Look at this, the heart. This is the decorative heart. Look at this. It is so beautiful. It is made with love. So something is shifting. Some healing is going to happen. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. I told you Scorpio is important. Six of coins. Yes, balance is coming, friends, and this is your week to focus and stay in balance. Yin and yang, balance is important. Take time to sleep, make yourself important. Me. And that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wands Tarot, like and share. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, if you choose option number 2, this beautiful red moon, let us see how this week is going to be for you. Charms reading, this is your advice card, and these are your extra oracle messages. I will be pulling some charms for you at the end of this reading, so let's see. So your cards are the Queen of Rods. Wow, an Aries, Leo, Sag person, woman or man can be important. I feel this is your week where you are feeling very passionate, very focused and very, very passionate. You know what you want and you will get it. Otherwise, you might be feeling very, you are like, is there any confusion going on in your life? You are going to make you are going to make up your mind. You are going to take some decisions this week, I feel, which are important, which are life changing. Look at that, 5 of Wands, conflict. There are people fighting, there are arguments. Maybe there is a person who is fighting with you, parents or your children or your neighbors or someone, or like there is internal conflict within you right now, or it will happen in this week, like some conflict, like, how do I say this? Like your mind says one thing and your heart says another, so you are a little confused. So that is happening this week. But I see you are coming out of it. You are going to be like, hey, I'm not gonna settle for this. I'm gonna come out of this. Let's see what else. The Knight, Page of Pentacles, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I do feel if you are a young person, you may face some problems with a parent, mother or father, with siblings, or with your brother, sisters, or some lover. So I do feel maybe your lover is younger, or there is age gap. You may be in different cities. I do see there is a chance of an argument happening this week, so be a little calm, be a little positive, be little who take a deep breath, relax. Whew, I do also feel this is your week when you will be very busy. So you might have to fight for your time, like you don't have enough time, and people are like, hey, do this, do that. So you're like, I need my time. So you might get a bit angry. The Four of Cups. Yeah. I think you feel like you are missing out on life. You feel like you are not partying because of the world situation. You feel like you are missing out of all the joy in life. Life is not going as you planned. Why? Because people are not letting you go, or this, you can't party, you can't go outside with friends, or you want that job, it is not coming. You want love, it is not coming. There is fight, there is restrictions, there is block. You feel like what you need is not coming right now, and you feel angry about it. You just feel angry about it. Some of you may even cry this week because you want quick things. You want quick. It's not about quick, it's like you're tired of waiting, so you may cry of frustrations. You may also feel your work is going very slow, so should you leave it, should you change it? So some confusions are there, but congratulations, you have the Six of Pentacles. So balance is coming, friends, balance is coming. Keep at it. The week may start a bit shaky, but it will get better for you. Balance will come, money will come, some hope will come, your faith will be restored. I do see in love there is a relationship with a younger person, or with a person who is in a long distance, no contact. They are making you very angry, very angry. They are doing something like they are not talking to you, or they are choosing someone else, and it is making you angry this week. So take a breath of, who, let it go, relax. I don't know what you're gonna do. Six of Cups. Yeah, you feel very strongly about this person. This is a soulmate connection. You could also be thinking about a friend, friendship. You are thinking about friendships, soulmates. Someone is making you angry. There may be some fight or argument or difference of opinion between a friend or a lover or a soulmate. Wheel of Fortune, but remember, things are going to get better when Saturn moves into Aquarius and Jupiter moves into Aquarius. Things will get better by the end of this week for you. So, congratulations, things are shifting, positive changes. This stuck energy, this I can't do this, why this restriction? Whew, it is going to be resolved. You have a lot of energy and a lot of frustrations this week. Three of Swords, my god, this person, something is hurting you, friends. I think it is hurting you right now, and it has started to make you very angry. That why it is happening. There is a purpose for it, friends. There is a purpose. Maybe someone like your family is hurting you, or a lover, or a twin flame, or a husband or wife, or a failed marriage is hurting you, or you want children but it's not happening, or you want money but it's not happening, you want that promotion, it's not happening. You feel angry, you feel hurt, you feel pain. Patience, patience, my dears, patience, my babies, patience. Because your wheel is turning, things are moving ahead, balance will come. You may feel like it's not happening now, it may never happen. No, you will get your justice, you will get your things. Really, relax, focus on love, focus on happiness. No place like home, number 50. Some of you want to travel, some of you want to relocate, make a new home, or some of you are looking for that person you can build a home with, and you are like, wow, we are never gonna find that. Where is it? Maybe it's an alien. Someone said this. Some of you commented like this. The person we are going to date is an alien, and that's why they do not exist right now. So you feel like an alien in this week, like nobody understands you, and you feel like, where is my home? I want this. Where is it? What I want, where is it? It's coming, friends. Just some patience. And I do see someone is missing you. This person is missing you from the past. The one who neglected you, who left you, who blocked you, who is not giving you time and attention, they are missing you. I do see this person maybe drinking and thinking about you. I feel this person is also crying about you. You might also cry. I also feel, friends, be careful. You might indulge in too much of drinking, smoking, or you might indulge in too much of colas and all those things, not good for health. You might overindulge, in something. So be careful. Patience. Divine timing is at work in this week. Very, very much. Divine timing is working. So be careful, friends, and stay patient. All is working out. This is not the end of the world. You are on the right path. Angel of Love, 49. You need to take care of your health, friends. I think your frustration levels are going high. You are recovering from a heartache, or you might be unhappy because of the situation, because of the family dynamics or third party. Focus on love. The angels of love are with you this week. Be kind to yourself. Take care. Sleep some more, Use some flowers. Bring some beauty in your life. I think you should connect with rose quartz. It will help you to feel better this week. Let us see your advice. Also, if you are a student, wow, you may face some issues with your family, or with the world situation, like you want to go out, you want to travel for work, career, but you can't, and you are like, you're feeling frustrated, friends. Be careful. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. See, this is you are very near to this tough end. You are very near. Things will change. Wheel of Fortune. After this week, things will be very different. You will be on a different plane, on a different things will get better. Patience. Number 19. 19 is also important for you. Let's see your charm spins. Option number 2. What will happen for them for this week? Alright. Whew. So your initials are NYE, New Year. The New Year Eve could be important. It also reminds me of the New York. So maybe USA is important, or you are meeting or dating, or you want to go there. And New Year's Eve is important for some of you. TA is also important. 8. Yeah, be careful of what you are eating this week, friends. I told you, you might overindulge in fruit, not fruits. I don't think so. Anybody can overindulge in fruits. Maybe if they are strawberries. I don't know. It's like you might eat or drink a lot. So, careful, careful, careful. This is my job to tell you, be careful. Don't forget to save. Yeah, I do see that. Save your energy. Don't just waste it. Be patient. This is a time to keep your patience. You are very close to achieving your goals. And number 7 is important. 7 could also be the month. Number 10 is also important. And you have this red car. This is about feeling passionate. And you have this yellow car. Stay positive. Be passionate, but be positive. Important messages and divine signs are coming to you. Stay focused. What is this charm? Let's see. Go your own way. Wow, friends, look at this. This is time to follow your heart, and I think you will have that. Things will open. Right now you may feel very blocked or restricted, but you will things, just a bit of patience, and things, the doors will open. You will be able to go your own way, do things in your own way, right? The owl, be smart, be intelligent, don't lose faith, don't lose your anger. It won't help you, it won't help anybody. Don't indulge in fights. I do see heartache, I do see pain. You might some don't do fighting and all. Don't do that. Don't be in the negative energy. Star, stay positive. Your wishes are coming true. Your destiny is big. Angel protection, angel wing. This is you are going through a very sacred time. This is a very divine time for you. Focus on that. Teacup. I think you might drink some tea which keeps you calm, like green tea or honey, honey tea, ginger teas. Keep it calm, keep relaxed. Lavender tea, they also relax, right? Music is important. Listen to music. Again, music is important. Maybe you are dealing with a musician, an artist, or maybe you are yourself, your destiny will be in music in the future. So stay positive. Teapot, something big is shifting, it is manifesting for you. You are on the right path. Yellow, stay positive. Nine of Wands, very close to achieving your goal. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Your hard path, your tough path is over. You have become very intelligent. Seer, Three of Coins. Work with people, stay patient. I know it is not, you are not doing anything to make a battle, you are not making this hurt or this pain, you are not starting it, but others may, so you have to stay patient. Two of Coins, some confusions are there. You are also very busy. Time, yeah, time. This is patience. Time is money. The right time is coming. Faith, keep your faith. Your faith might be tested this week. Keep it strong. Children are very important. Like if you are young, if you are a children yourself, your parents might be important. If you are a parent, you might worry about your children. Three of Cups, some celebration is coming. So, yeah. Moon, yeah, your emotions are super high. And look at that. The deer, you are very sensitive. You are very, very sensitive. So, stay calm, drink some tea, and relax and focus on, good things in this week. Music, listen to some of your best music, positive music, and subscribe Magic Wednesday, Tarot, like and share. And this is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful green moon, you are very close to achieving your goal. Let us see what's going to happen for you this week. This is a charms reading. This is your advice. Let us see your oracle cards and then your charms. Let's see what's gonna happen for you. Seven of Pentacles, you're waiting. You're waiting, when will things move? You're working hard. Your focus is on your career, on your goals, on your building something, learning something. Your focus is on your future, what you will do next year, where you want to go. You're planning, you're waiting, you're working. That's how you start the week. Queen of Swords, yeah, your focus is very clear. You're very clear. You are working on your, you're thinking about your future, your money, your career, your studies, your education. You're very clear on what you want and don't want, what you like, what you don't like. Very clear. This is the sign. And Aquarius, Libra, Gemini is also important for you. I think you are going to watch more of Magic Wednesday Tarot, because this Queen of Swords remind me of always Magic Wednesday Tarot. I don't know why, because maybe Aquarius it is. Ooh, the King of Swords. See, another Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is also important. Another Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I think communications are very important this week. Look at that. Communications, and also, like in this, not just communications, but communications, and also people, some, communications with people, with family, with authority, they are important. Swords are high. Look at that. You're very defensive. You're very clear. Boundaries. This week is about boundaries, You are very clear on what you want and your limits. So you might sit in the closed door this week because you are like, no, this is my space. I can't deal with it. You're very focused on your career, your money. Seven of Wands. You are very protective about what you are doing. Maybe it is your goal, maybe it is your career, maybe it is something you're preparing for an exam, your studies. If you are waiting for a lover, you're very focused on what you want. Like, I don't want to talk with you. There is someone who wants to come and talk with you, but you are like, nah, I'm clear. I know what I want. The Hanged Man in reverse. Oh God, some situation is stuck in your life and it's not moving ahead. Maybe there is a person, a lover, or a parent, or an in law, or a twin flame that isn't ready for your love. They keep running away, or they are egoistic. They don't want to change their patterns, their issues. This situation is stuck, and this person is refusing to change. So you are like, no, I'm done with you. I'm done. You can't take this. If someone is not open or ready for your love or commitment or your offers, or you're not replying to your messages, you might block them. You might say bye bye. I think a lot of people are going to get blocked this week on your WhatsApp or social media. So be careful. There is this Four of Pentacles. You're very particular about your money this week. You are like, my focus is on my money. From four, I want my Seven Pentacles, and that is what I focus on. You want success. You are focused about it, whether it is in career, whether it is in love, or in your education. You want success. If someone doesn't want to talk to you, you'll be like, nah, I won't make the first move. Not me. Not now. Ten of wands. You are very you have a lot on your plate. This is a busy week for you. You are really tired. I think you are doing a lot of work, whether it is managing your home, or there is a wedding going on, there is something going on which involves a lot of money. Maybe you are handling two jobs, or maybe there is a lot of pressure on you. Relax those pressures, friends. You are putting a lot of pressure on yourself, and it is not good. It can affect your mental, emotional, or physical health. So take care of your health. Okay, 10 of cups. Yeah, spend some time with family. Relax, take a chill pill, just relax, enjoy. You are being too hard on yourself this week. Like, I'll do this. I won't let this person come near me. I'm focused. I want to study. I will overachieve. You are doing excellently. You are doing amazingly. Just relax, enjoy, take a break. Go out and have a walk. I also feel you should have some red velvet cakes or pastries or something nice, because I see you are not taking care of yourself. So you need to do something nice for yourself. I feel some happy. You will celebrate something with family, an anniversary, a wedding, or you will meet your family after a long time. So you'll feel excited. Maybe you are going for the holidays. The holiday season is coming. So you're moving and traveling, or you have already united with your family by this week. Enjoy, relax. Maybe you're very planning, a lot of holiday things. You are planning a lot for this holiday season. So relax, take it easy. Even if you are a student or a career person, there is a lot of pressure on you, friends. Take a break, relax, and 1 week won't change anything. Things you're already doing good. King of Rods. Aries, Leo, Sag person is important. I do feel there are two choices in love. There may be two people you are confused about, or there are two lovers or two people who are interested in you this week, and you are like, nah, I'm not interested in anybody. So your defenses are up. So yeah, there are two people, maybe a soulmate and a twin flame, or a lover, a past lover. Two people are there. Higher power, number 4, destiny. So destiny is at work. You don't need to push things too high or too much this week. You're already doing great, and rest is on destiny. Destiny is working in your favor. Cornucopia 1111. Twin flame connections are important. A twin flame connection is shifting. Some happiness or reunions are going to happen. Some celebrations is coming. I also see money or some sort of a victory or relief coming your way. So stay quiet, stay positive, stay relaxed. Walking away, number 27. Yes, you are walking out of stress. You are walking out of this pressure cooker situation that keeps you, oh, I don't know. There is someone, maybe it is a boss or someone, or maybe it is someone that who walked away from you. They want to come back, but you are like, nah, I don't want it. You're clear, you're very clear. There is something you'll walk away from this week, or you already have, but they wanna come back, but you're like, nah, not today. I also feel if you are a student and you are beating yourself like, why, I couldn't get selected. So, relax. If you are a student or a working person, relax. You are doing too much, friends. It is time to take some, a day off or relax your burdens, relax. You are doing too much. Just take a chill. You are being too hard on yourself. Let's see. And don't be so logical this week. I feel like you're so logical. You're like so tough on yourself. Be in your emotions. Enjoy. Have you seen a cat? They just enjoy. Have you seen a cat sleeping? They sleep in the weirdest positions and they still enjoy. So be like a cat. Don't be like this stressed person, right? Let's see your advice. Be bold and make the first move, Cardinal Moon. Wow, that's interesting. I do see that, there is a new person or opportunity coming your way, and you should, take a bold move, take the first move. But I see before you do that, relax because you are too worked up. Otherwise, you can just, if there is an interview call coming, you have prepared well. If there is an exam coming, you have prepared well, but you are so focused that you might screw it. So relax and know that you are doing all that you need to do. And let's see your charms. Pile number 3. Your charms for pile number 3. What will happen this week? Lots of charms came out. Let's see. Wow, wedding bell. So, some sort of a wedding is going to happen for you, or in the family, or maybe you are some happy news or some happy messages are coming your way. There is T, there is S, there is N, there is E, there is, V, I. Oh my god. STN. This reminds me of a station, like you are going to a airport or railway stations or train stations or bus. You are traveling or someone is traveling towards you. V, maybe some victory is coming your way or someone's name is V or Win. Some name is there. So STNVIE is there, and you have the kiss, heart emoji. So yeah, take care of yourself. You are the sweetest darling, so take care of yourself. And number 17 is important, and focus on friendships, friends. 3 of hearts is here. You may be dealing with 2 people or a third party, or you are just fed up of someone, you can't trust them. Focus on friendships this week. Be light-hearted, enjoy. Messages are coming. Wedding is also there in the family. Maybe an anniversary or holiday events are happening. Heart messages. This is the message of money. Some money-related news is coming. Some raise is coming, some promotion or some news regarding money, or maybe some career news is coming. The windmill changes are happening for you, friends. Yes, positive changes are going to happen. The pearl. So yeah, this is you're precious, friends. Take care of yourself. You're very important. Cowboy. Yeah, friends, you're like a cowboy. You're like, I gonna achieve it. Yes, friends. You're really sorry. Please excuse my throat. I've been like doing a reading since like a long time. So my throat is achy breaky. Have you heard that song, Achy Breaky Heart? It's a very old song. Hello, I'm cuter than you. So someone likes you, they're gonna message you, they're gonna compliment you. I also see some dove and messages of peace, messages of sorry, forgiveness. The Cinderella, someone has an eye on you, friends. Maybe a crush or someone new, or you like somebody, I feel, because you have this card. Be bold and make the first move. So you may like somebody and you are like, hi, I'm cuter than you, so you might flirt with somebody. You have the cowboy energy, and also someone very flashy. Aries, Leo, Sag. Cowboy could be like someone who is very dashing, very Casanova. Not Casanova. You know how cowboys are tough, tough. The tortoise, be patient. That's again and again I'm saying be calm. Trumpet, yes, messages are coming important. You might also be very loud this week, like you might speak like in anger or something, like, oh, blast. So be careful. Fish, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person is important. Let's see this one. Creativity, yes. Focus on being creative. Find some creative ways to make art, or make be creative this week. Enjoy your life. Watch a good movie, or buy some shoes for yourself. Do something nice. You are working so hard. Sage, you are very wise. Six of Cups, someone loves you, a soulmate connection is there. Mouse, yeah, you are not the mouse this week. You are this mighty lioness or lion. Red, you're very passionate. Seven of Coins, patience. Have some patience. Again, King of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus is important. Five of Cups, yeah, you're disappointed with something. If someone disappoints you this week, you'll be like, ooh, like a thunder. Why are you disappointing me? It's be easy. December is important. See, December is important. Some December month is important for you. The energy of deer. Yeah, you're very sensitive, very, very sensitive. Nine of Years, depression, anxiety. You're anxious about something. You want quick, quick, quick. Why is it not moving? 10 of Years, endings, burdens. You have some burden on you. Let it go, friends. Water, yeah, drink some water. It will make you feel better. Canada, Canada is important, or maybe like your lover is there, or you are applying there for studies. Four of Wands, marriage, some situation involving marriage is important. And the lion, see, I told you, you are the lion and the lioness, and this is the confirmation. So you are not the mouse. I told you, you are the lion. And creativity. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. Bye for now.